The harmonize feature in Photoshop is an incredible way of making your images blend together. So here's a street scene, and I'm going to take this car and put it in the scene. I'll select subject, copy it, and I'll paste it into the background. I'll need to do a bit of adjustment, so into free transform, shrink it slightly and rotate it so it fits into that scene. But it doesn't look like it really belongs there. When I click the harmonize button, it'll take a while. Let's skip ahead. And here's the result. We've got 3 options to choose from. The car looks much more like it belongs here. It's added shadows underneath. There's the original. The one thing it hasn't done is replace the reflections in the windscreen. So it doesn't do everything for you, but it does an awful lot. Here's another example. Here's a hot dog stall in a rainy street. Let's add a man standing there. And he doesn't look like he belongs here at all. Once again, let's click Harmonize. And we'll skip ahead. I'll move the Properties panel out of the way. And you can see he really looks like he belongs here. Again, there's the original, and there he is relit. And there are 3 variations. But look at this. Not only has it relit him, it's even added a reflection in the surface because it knows that it's rainy. With the Harmonize tool, we can take this dragon and make him look like he belongs in this forest. Of course, if you had the skills, you could do all this using native Photoshop tools, but Harmonize makes it so much easier.